So now let's go back. So that covers, so what I just showed you, regardless of what section of the page that you're on, when you click on this right here, you have this. You can also click on the save. When you click on save section, now when you save section, you do this when you design and use the same type of items often. So if there's something that I want to use on multiple pages, instead of me having to always redesigning the same thing over and over and over again, I can just come in and just save a section that I can reuse on something else. Okay, so I'm going to call this here section 5 for whatever reason. So I'm going to click on save, and you're going to see where that comes up later. So now I have just saved a section. So when I'm designing, instead of me having to rebuild this entire section, I can just pull it up when I need it later on at a different section, at a different design. I could always just do that. So now once I've done that save, then I can be able to click on duplicate. I can always duplicate a section. Okay, I can duplicate a section right here, and I can also click to copy a section, and I can click to disable it. When I click disable, you notice that whole section is disabled. And I can also click, if I don't want that, I can click to delete it. When I click to delete it, it's gone. I can click to undo, and voila, it's right back there again. So regardless of where you are on here, if you understand how these work, it's the same throughout the entire website. So once you get this down pat, you understand how to utilize these. Whenever you're designing or customizing, it makes things a lot easier. Now, when you put your mouse on each section, you notice you have 3 dots, right? You can customize each section, each dot right here. So you click on this, you can duplicate. If I click duplicate, it's going to duplicate this entire section, and I can click to hide. I can choose to show one section for the mobile phone and the other section to show for the laptop, or I can just choose to delete it all together. So I'm just going to click here, just to, let's see here, just to delete it, because we have that already. And you scroll through here and you notice that it's the exact same thing throughout the page, and with all of these right here, right? All these are the same thing. All these are the same right here. You click here,